Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to create a product in Grigora. To get started, we will first go to the Grigora site and hit Publish. Once there, click on Commerce from the left sidebar. After clicking on Commerce, you will see the Products option. Click on it, and here you will find all your listed products. To add a new product, click on Add New Product, and the Create Product page will open up for you. First, enter your product's name, and after that, enter the product promise. You can also generate the product promise using AI. Simply click on Improve with AI. It will then generate your product promise instantly. Next, under Type, you can choose from Digital Product, Physical Product, Download, Course, Template, Membership, or Service. Select an option, according to your needs. After that, you can add a collection by typing a new one, or you can select from an existing collection. Then, click on Continue. This takes us to step 2, where you can set your pricing and edit your currency. Below that, you can upload your product photos and videos. Next, we have the option to change the delivery mode, where you can select either digital delivery or physical delivery. Choose this based on your needs. If it's a physical product, select physical delivery, or if it's a digital product, select digital delivery. Both options will provide different settings. If you select a digital delivery, you will need to upload a file here. After uploading, click Continue. In step 3, you need to connect a way to get paid. Here you can use Stripe, Razorpay, PayPal, Paddle, or Gumroad. And if you prefer not to use those, you can also use an external link. For now, I will choose Skip for now, which brings us to step 4. Here, you have options to add highlights and FAQs, followed by SEO settings. Now I will click on Review and Publish. You will see all your product details along with a product card showing how your product will look. Once you verify everything, click on Publish Product to make it live. And that's it! That is how you create a product in Grigora. See you in the next one.